Good morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education, and today is the 19th of December, coming up to Christmas time soon enough. Only literally a few days left, and today is Monday. Well, today's the analysis time where we're going to be analysing the markets. Going to show you where the FTSE is at and where these markets are going to go in next week or two. So let me just show you some popular markets there. Let me just open the popular markets, and there you go. At the moment, it's coming up to 8 o'clock. FTSE is about to open. As you can see, FTSE is trading at 7,015 sell price, and buy price is 7,017. Quite high. It hasn't given us any pullback, any retracement, no price correction, temporary price correction whatsoever. As you can see, German markets are trading on 11,390, nearly 11,400. Wall Street quite high. Again, Wall Street trend hasn't changed, it still is upward trend, and it hasn't given us any reversal trend whatsoever. We've got a euro versus GBP. Yes, we have closed our trade last week. We opened at 0.8450, and we have closed at 0.835958 in around that price. So we took a small hit of 2.5%. The clients and our students know that we never ever risk more than 2.5% each time when we trade. Other than that, we've got the euro has a big downward trend. It hasn't given us any reversal trend. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open a chart of one by one of these currency pairs and FTSE and show you exactly what's happening and where do we think it's going to go. Now we are looking at FTSE chart. As you can see here, we've got the resistance level at the price of 7,095. We've got a really strong support level at 6,656. At the moment, the markets are trading at 7,006. We have an internal resistance level at 738, and we have another one at 6,980, but 6,980 is broken, so I think it will take a turn. It could easily take a turn from 740 or 795. However, right now we do not have any entry, or we do not have any signals that the FTSE will drop. Once we do, obviously we will enter a trade, and we will put a small stop loss as well as a huge profit target. So that's where the FTSE is at the moment. We have no signals whatsoever just yet, but let's move on to currency pairs and see what's happening with them. So now we are looking at US dollar versus JPY, Japanese yen. As you can see here, we had a really strong downward trend on US dollar versus Japanese yen. It started back in this year February 2016, and it has been going down from 120, actually 124 it started going down, but that's where it's properly made its trend. As you can see here, from 1 to 1.370, that was the price when it starts dropping, and it has gone down to as low as 99.850, and that was the really strong support level. As you can see, this price, the line have drawn. Every time it tried to break through that point, it bounced back up. Second time, third time, and then after that it never came back. It was such a strong support level that the buyers pushed the markets higher. And then we had a resistance level. That was a resistance level. As you can see, there was a straight trend line was broken there. Range was getting smaller. As you can see, ranges keep getting smaller and smaller in around September, and after that it's broken through, and then that was the day, I think the 9th of November, yeah, that was the US elections, when it's totally broken through our reversal trend line as well. And that black line which is waving across the chart, this is our trend line. So it's breaking through the trend line towards upward direction. As you can see here, since then it hasn't come back. In fact, there's no reversal trend whatsoever. At the moment, the overall market trend is upward, but it's fairly bullish and fairly sharp bullish trend as well, that we do not see any reversal trend. We had a couple of bearish bars, but however we didn't have a proper price retracement. Like if it comes back to 114, 111, 113, then we will see, and then it takes a turn there in around that price, then we will realize, okay, do you know what, that is a good point to get involved in around 113, and then 112, 113, 114 even, and it bounced from there, and it takes a reverse trend to rise back up, because overall trend is bullish. So we're only going to be trading long trades. We only be placing long trades on this market. So at the moment, obviously, it has broken through all previous resistance, and it hasn't given us any reversal trend whatsoever. So that is what's happening with US dollar versus Japanese yen. So let's move on to the next currency pair. So this is, we're looking at euro versus USD. It has taken a turn, as you can see here. That was a trend line. We were hoping that the price will come back and give us a reversal trend there, but however we didn't get any reversal trend whatsoever. At the moment it's trading on 1.0458, and we had a really strong resistance level there. If I were to move this line, let's say here, this turned out to be a resistance level now. So if the market goes back up in around that price, and if I were to change this line, let's say here, okay, there you go. Now we're looking about 2.5%. Overall 1.456 to 1.076 is still only a few hundred points range. Is not a huge enough range, but yes, euro versus USD has to recover slight bit, then we will get the range of 3, 4, 500 pips or points. If we get that kind of range, we'll get involved, otherwise we wouldn't. So if you don't get any signals, we don't get involved. If you get any solid signals, an indication that now it's the time that the market has taken a turn, a reversal trend, this is the best time to get involved, we will get involved, we will take an advantage, but only when the signal and the timing is right. So this is what's happening with currency pairs at the moment. Markets, I wouldn't say volatile, but they're very unpredictable. There's not enough volatility at the moment, in currency pairs. They are following their trend. There's no reversal trend. Basically they just follow in one direction whatsoever. But if we get any retracements during this week, yes, we will be placing trades. This is a wave strategy. Having said that, with wave strategy, we will be placing some day trades, also some swing trading as well. So once we get any opportunity, we will upload our trades. Keep an eye on our YouTube channel. Okay guys, so that's pretty much what's happening at the moment. So if you like what you see, do not forget to subscribe, and if there's anything I can do, feel free to email me and I'll be more than happy to help you. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education. Have a great day. Bye bye.